Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you where to find the manufacturing date of your device. So the manufacturing date is located on the bottom cover of your laptop, right here. If you take a closer look, here you'll be able to find the MFG date, which goes year, month, day. So for me, it's 25th of September 2024. And that's how you find the manufacturing date on your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.